practice set 2.5, question number 5 and 6. These are the star questions. Let us solve these questions one by one. First, given equation is 5. Given equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. Here, I write this k plus 3 in the bracket. Then, comparing this equation with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then we have a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4k and c equal to k plus 3. Let alpha and beta are roots of given equation. Then we find alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. Minus b upon a, put the values of b and a. Value of b minus 4k and value of a 1, and therefore its value is 4k. Then find the alpha into beta, means product of two roots, and it is in the terms of coefficient written as c upon a. Value of c is k plus 3 and a is 1, that is k plus 3. This is number 1 and 2. But here condition is given that sum of roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. Means alpha plus beta is twice alpha into beta. This is given. So this is number 3. From 1, 2 and 3, put the value of this alpha plus beta, alpha into beta in 3. Alpha plus beta equal to 4k. Alpha into beta equal to in bracket k plus 3. Reason from 1, 2 and 3. If we solve this 4k equal to 2k plus 3. That is 4k minus 2k equal to 6. Here 4k equal to 2k plus 6. Therefore 4k minus 2k equal to 6, and therefore 2k equal to 6, and therefore k equal to 3. This is the value of k. Then see example number 6. Alpha and beta are roots of equation is given y square minus 2y minus 7. Then find the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. First of all, I write the given equation. That is, the given equation is y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Alpha and beta are roots of given equation. Therefore, this alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. From the equation, value of b here minus 2. Therefore, minus 2. Value of a 1 equal to 2 by 1 is 2. Then alpha into beta equal to c upon a. Value of c minus 7. Therefore minus 7. These are the values of alpha plus beta 2 and alpha into beta minus 7. Then first we find the value of alpha square plus beta square. We know the identity that alpha plus beta bracket square equal to alpha square plus 2 alpha into beta plus beta square. Then put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in this. Alpha plus beta equal to 2 square equal to alpha square plus 2 into minus 7 plus beta square. Therefore, this is 4. This alpha square plus beta square. 2 into minus 7 minus 14. And therefore, this alpha square plus beta square equal to 4 minus 14 plus 14. That is alpha square plus beta square equal to 18. Similarly, second point, that is alpha cube plus beta cube. We know the identity alpha plus beta bracket cube equal to alpha cube, I write here, second is alpha cube plus beta cube. I write here alpha plus beta bracket cube equal to, expansion of this is alpha cube plus 3 into alpha into beta in bracket alpha plus beta cube. Then put the values of alpha plus beta means 2 cube equal to alpha cube plus 3 into minus 7 into 2 plus beta cube. Then 2 cube is 8. This alpha cube plus beta cube. Then we solve this. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 7 minus 42. Therefore, this alpha cube plus beta cube equal to this 8 minus 42, here plus 42. 8 into plus 42, that is 50. So value of this alpha cube plus beta cube is 50. Example number 7. The roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. Then find the value of k. Here we solve the example one by one. Example number 1. Equation is given 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. Here we find the value of k. From this equation, a equal to 3, b equal to k and c equal to 12. Then find the value of discriminant. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Put the value of b, that is k square minus 4 into value of a is 3, value of c is 12. Therefore, this is k square minus 144. 4 into 3 into 12, 144. But given the roots of this equation are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. This is given. Therefore, this delta equal to 0 means k square minus 144 equal to 0. This is k square minus 12 square, that is a square minus b square. So in one bracket k plus 12, another bracket k minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, k plus 12 equal to 0 or k minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, k equal to minus 12 and k equal to plus 12. There are two values of k, that is minus 12 and plus 12. Then, second example, given kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. First we multiply this kx to the bracket, that is kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. From this equation, a equal to k, b equal to minus 2k and c equal to 6. Find the value of delta as delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Put the value of b minus 2k bracket square minus 4 into value of a is k, value of c is 6 minus 2k bracket square, minus 2 square is plus 4, this is k square, minus 24k. Here also the roots are real and equal. This is also given. Therefore, this 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. From this, take 4k as common term. So, remaining is here k minus 4 is taken common from 24. Therefore, here is 6. K is also taken common. Therefore, 4k in bracket k minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, this 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, k equal to 0 or k equal to 6. Observe here, if k equal to 0, this equation k equal to 0, this term becomes 0. K equal to 0, this term becomes 0. Therefore, this equation is not meaningless. It is not an equation. Therefore, k equal to 0 is not acceptable. Therefore, because value equation is meaningless. Therefore, value of k is 6.